Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'll show you how to fulfill orders on CJ Dropshipping. To start this tutorial, open cjdropshipping.com in your internet browser. Once you are in cjdropshipping.com, follow the steps that I will be doing here on your screens. To start, click on My CJ. Now wait for the website to finish loading. Once you're here, scroll down on the left side and then look for orders. Click on the drop down. Scroll up to see the options once again. In here, you will see dropship orders, but we are going to click on orders. And then let's go to orders fulfillment. Let's wait for the website to load once again. Once we're here, you will see the order number, CJ order number, status, quantity, shipping method, tracking number, and amount. Now, if we are to open another tab, there is also an option on how to create an automatic order on CJ. Just follow the steps over here on your screens. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.